He would back up and the front end would lock up the tires.
So you get to a point and then just chonk.
The wheel would catch the tie rod and pull the tie rod up into the wheel and jam into the aluminum wheel.
Both sides.
Oh man, wow.
You're good.
Yeah.
Okay. So Jeep J-Series pickup came in with ride height way off. It's 5 inches low in the front. We thought something was wrong with how he put the hubs together, or wheel bearings or brakes or something. And what it came down to is he had the wrong offset wheels. We had to put some different wheels on it. And the wheel would catch the tie rod and pull the tie rod up into the wheel and jam into the aluminum wheel, and it would stop the truck. To back it up in our yard and out of our shop before we had wheels, we had to physically hold the tie rod down so that it wouldn't rub on the wheel. But that's why it originally came in, is for that front end locking up, and then we pursued going after ride height. He came to us, fixed that. It had shackles in the front of the leaf spring. So we did a reverse shackle with a Sky's hanger, Sky shackles, Sky shock hoops, did some Bilstein shocks, and some Skyjacker springs. Front end ride's really nice. We just got back from a test drive. It's got the fresh build blues from the owner. Just put an engine in it. We got her a little warm. The electric fan doesn't keep up. Low on a couple fluids. It's making some power steering noises, but we'll get that fixed for him before it goes back to him. Brakes work really well. It has a Hydro Boost conversion on it, which is really nice for good solid positive braking. Little to no effort on the brake pedal required with Hydro Boost. Overall, it drove nice, got a lot of looks. got a couple thumbs up, I think. And yeah, pretty sweet truck. He's giving it to his daughter. I think she's in college here in town, and probably see it running around.
Chalk.